Welcome to your 21-day January Fast Start Reset. This is a simple, structured way to lose weight, to reset your body, and to build real momentum. Hi, I'm Violet. I'm a health and nutrition coach, a weight loss clinic manager, and I help midlife women reach their goal weight. And this free plan will give you a clear path to follow, making smart choices and feeling better fast. This plan focuses on lowering your carbs and reducing insulin, which helps your body access and burn stored fat, especially that deep visceral fat that affects energy and health. In just a few days, most people notice a flatter stomach, better digestion, and more stable energy. The Fast Start Reset is built on three core principles. Number 1, a mild calorie deficit. Number 2, lower carb eating. And number 3, a foundation of whole foods, lean proteins, vegetables, and healthy fats. It's portioned, balanced, and structured to eliminate the guesswork and the decision fatigue. Here's what a typical day looks like. For breakfast, you'll have one protein portion, like a chocolate protein shake. Mid-morning is another portion, like 1 cup of Greek yogurt. Lunch is what I call a protein plate, which is 1 serving of protein, 2 cups of vegetables, and 1 serving of fat. This might look like a tuna and cucumber salad with sesame dressing. Afternoon snack would be another protein portion, something like cottage cheese or a protein bar. And for dinner is your second protein plate, which is 2 servings of protein, 2 cups of vegetables, and a serving of fat. So something like turkey vegetable chili topped with a little cheese would be perfect. Evening snack is optional. This would be a light protein portion, like hot cocoa made with high protein almond milk and sweetener. You'll drink lots of water. Optionally, you'll add in electrolytes. You will skip alcohol, fruits, grains, and starchy carbs during this phase. My tips for success would be eat every 3 to 4 hours to prevent cravings. Don't skip meals and snacks because hunger rebounds hard. Add sea salt to meals for electrolyte support. Keep meals simple. Repetition is your friend during the reset. And track your food. Awareness builds success. In just 21 days, most people will lose 5 to 10 pounds. But more importantly, they gain control, energy, and confidence. Once you complete your reset, you'll move into the Smart Servings lifestyle, which is a flexible, long-term structure that keeps your weight loss going and your progress steady. Thanks so much for watching. And if you're ready to feel more in control heading into the new year, I have put together a free 21-day reset plan. It includes everything you need to get started. You'll find the link below, and I would love to help you and be part of your journey.